It's a 2018 Buick LaCrosse. In a world full of ordinary, this expectation-shattering sedan is a prime example of the extraordinary. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the LaCrosse, Edmunds.com writes, a well-rounded large sedan that pampers its occupants and drives nicely. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.